everybody, I'm back and you're in my kitchen, and I appreciate all you guys that come and visit me and see my kitchen and see what I'm doing every week. I really do appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you for all the subscribers that keep coming. I'm doing this for me and I'm doing this for you. Just let me know what kind of content you want. You just put a comment in the bottom, and please subscribe, please like, please share, and please let's keep going on here. Okay, today I am going to do some spaghetti in the pressure cooker. Now I'm going to put some meat in it. Some people don't like meat, they don't have to put meat in there. If you want meat, put any kind of meat you like in there. Today I'm going to put in some beef kielbasa and some ground beef. So I have about a pound of each, and that's what I'm going to do. So let's get started. First, I always got to put my glasses on because I can't see. Then first I'm going to put a little olive oil in my pressure cooker, and I believe it's on hot. I got to just check. It's getting hot now, and I'm going to put in the kielbasa first. So here's my kielbasa. Throw it in here just so it can get brown. Kielbasa is already cooked. You know, really you don't have to do much to it, but I like to get it brown. And so she's going in there so she can get brown. I cut it up in kind of bite-sized pieces for us. Just let it get brown. It's going to take about 3 to 5 minutes, and it'll be brown. And I'm going to be checking it out, and I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to put in some ground beef next, and I'll put it all back together again. I added some oil, and this oil has some roasted garlic in it. So I like this particular oil for certain things I'm making. So you know, you need to try it. It's pretty good. Hopefully you can find it in the store. I will tell you guys all of my ingredients in the recipe. All you have to do is go down to the link, go to my recipe, and you'll get all the information you need if you want to know what I'm doing, how I'm making this spaghetti. Okay? Okay, the meat, the kielbasa looks brown to me. It's kind of brown. It's on the nice side. So I'm taking it out. I got to do two things actually that I really want to do. Okay. Now, my pot needs to get deglaze. That's one important thing when you're cooking with the pressure cooker, with this pressure or any pressure cooker. You got to make sure that you deglaze the bottom, because sometimes it takes a while for it to come back up to pressure. So right now, what I'm going to do is put in my meat. I got this meat from Costco. It's organic ground beef. I got it from Costco. And what I'm doing is break it down a little bit first. And then I'm going to add some ingredients. I'm putting some basil in here. Yeah, put some basil in there. I'm going to put in some oregano, like a pinch or so, some oregano in there. I'm going to put a little bit of no salt seasoning in here. I try to use no salt, and then you can add all the salt you want after this. But if you start with no salt, then you got a little control on the salt that's going to be in your food. So, to a little bit of no salt seasoning in, I'm going to put some onion powder in. Generously, we like onion powder. Some onion powder in there. I'm going to put some Italian flavoring, Italian seasoning in here. Some Italian seasoning up in here. And I'm going to put some sage, some ground sage in here, which gives it a smoky kind of taste. Can't put ground sage in because I gotta open the thing. I'm gonna cut that part out. This sage gives it makes you think there's some pork in here when it's not, which is cool. That's the taste I like sometimes. Then I got some ground thyme in here, and thyme is always good on beef and chicken. You're going to put a little bit of thyme always, and it just kicks it up a little bit. And I have some parsley and garlic seasoning. All of what I just put in here has absolutely no salt in it. I'm using, you could make your own sauce, your own tomato sauce, but I'm using some canned tomato sauce right here. Some jar tomato sauce. I use at least 2 jars. Sometimes I put more, depends on how I feel, because I like it saucy. And I am going to put just a pinch of salt in here, just my own, how much I want in here. But not too much, because the tomato sauce in the jar has a lot of salt in it. So let's put a little bit of salt in here, just a drop. Put a little in here. This is some sea salt. That's it. Just a little bit. And a step. You know what? I'll put pepper on in later, toward the end. Now I'm gonna crush my meat up here. Crush it all up. Crushed up pretty good. Use my spatula over here to keep crushing it. And as I'm doing that, I'm trying to deglaze the bottom of this pan as much as I can. I'm going to put a little water in it to help it out. But let me just get this kind of chop it up. There we go. It smells so good. Smelling good. And I see where I need to deglaze a little bit, for sure. And what I'm going to do to help deglaze this, I'll put a little bit of water in here. And that'll help it a lot. That'll help me get that deglazed. But that's what I'm trying to do. And I want to keep the flavor in the pot. So you want to just put a little water in there, or some kind of liquid in here, whatever you like, but not tomato sauce. Not yet. Because that's just going to make it stick even more. You want to get this pot deglazed as much as possible so that this thing will come up to pressure when you want it to come up to pressure. And it looks pretty good to me now. Just that little bit of water did the trick. Now, I am going to turn it off. I want it off, so I'm going to turn it back on. It's really still hot. I'm going to put back the kielbasa. And actually, I'm going to take a piece. And I'm going to put it back. Good stuff. And see, the kielbasa also has some salt in it. You really don't need to put a lot more salt. So, kielbasa's in. I'm going to actually put just a little bit more water toward the bottom. Just a little bit. Here we go. I want it deglazed at the bottom. There we go. Before I put the spaghetti in, I'm actually going to put the spaghetti sauce in. So, put some spaghetti sauce in, the whole jar, and the other jar in. And these were just some of the jars I had in my pantry. These are the jars of spaghetti sauce I like to use anyway. So I had some in the pantry. So out it goes. And today we're going to use it up. Now, I'm going to do my spaghetti now. What I'm going to do, it's going to take a minute because I got to crack it in half. What we're going to do is just take the spaghetti, crack it in half. Might hit me in the face, but whatever. Because I'm kind of short. So there we go. Okay, the spaghetti's in. The sauce is in. The seasonings are in. Now I'm going to put some water in it. And actually I'm going to take one of these jars that already had some sauce in it. You know, why not use it? So I poured in some water. And actually, do like my mother used to do. Get all the good out. That's what she used to say. Get all the good out. So, why not? I'm going to pour in the water. And all you really need to do is put enough water in just to cover the you need to put enough water in just to cover the spaghetti. That's all you got to do. What we got to do, I'm just going to pat it down just a little, make sure the spaghetti is under it. Just pat it down a little bit. That is it. It did not go over the fill line. You also got to be very careful not to make sure your ingredients don't go over the line. This is an 8-quart Instant Pot pressure cooker, so I have plenty of room. And I'm going to put the top on and put this on for like, really I don't need it on that long. Maybe about 8 minutes. You make sure that it's on sealed. It's on sealed, the pin is down. And I'm going to put it on for 8 minutes. So I'm going to press manual. It's on 11. I'm going to press it down to 9 minutes. It's good. Let it go. I will see you in 9 minutes. It takes a little longer than 9 minutes because it has to come up to pressure. And then I'm going to do a quick release. And then we can have some spaghetti. All right, I'll see you back in a little bit. Bye-bye. Hi everybody, I'm back, and it took about, really altogether around 20 minutes for this to come up to pressure, stay on pressure, and then I did a quick release so that I could start to see what my spaghetti looks like. So I'm going to take the pot off right now. You guys see what it looks like. It needs to be stirred up. That's really all it needs. Stir it up, and you see all that spaghetti. We didn't use a pot to boil the spaghetti. We didn't use a pan to brown the meat. We didn't have to wash all that out. We didn't do all that. We did everything in one pot. So if you guys have kids and the kids want to eat, you know most kids like spaghetti, make it in the pot. Make it faster for yourself, and make sure you have some time for yourself. So this is how you should be doing it, because it's very easy and it's delicious. And you can see this is just plain spaghetti with some meat, like I like it. You can also put your cheese on top, however way you want to do it. I don't even know if I have any cheese right now, so I'm just going to make it, put it right in here like this. And I'm going to taste this right now. I know it's really, really, you can see it's hot. It just came out. So of course, do my normal blowing on it. It's perfect. It's good. Garlic bread, and I'm good to go. So, everybody, thank you for watching. Again, please like, please share, please subscribe, please keep watching. I'm going to keep doing it. And I appreciate everyone. Thank you so much. Have a good one. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.